lecture. Okay, this is the 3 day of the of the of the lecture. This is cloud computer. I am the expert of the exam, Zhu Xiaoyan. And today the lecture is about module 3, Zibix. Yesterday is module 3, Ansible. Okay, let's do it. First, I will introduce of the Zibix. This is Zibix overview. Zibix can monitor various network parameters, guarantee the safe operation of the server system, and provide a flexible notification mechanism to allow the system administrator to quickly locate or solve the existing problems. This software's official website is www.zibix.com. Okay. Zibix consists of two parts. One is Zibix server. It is the core program of the inter Zibix system. Data acquisition and processing, configuration and management of the host. Incident generation, the sending of the alarm will done by Zibix underlying server. This is Zibix server. 2 is Zibix agent. Zibix agent need to install it on the surveillance target server. It mainly completes the collection of hardware information or memory related to the operating system, CPU, and other information collection. Okay, this is the Zibix consists of two parts. One is Zibix server. Second is Zibix agent. Then we will do the exam. Okay. First, the installation environment. Operating system is CentOS 7.5. Okay. Then is the Zibix version. The Zibix version is 5.0.28. 3 is the database version. Database version is MariaDB-server 5.5.68-1. Okay. Then is the Zibix software's front-end software. We use the Nginx. The version is 1.60.1. Okay, port 1. Okay. Okay, this is the installation environment. This is our environment of the hosts. One is server. Its IP address is 192 port 100.168.100.10. Its rule is Zibix server. Okay. The second host is agent. Its address is 100 92 92 port 92.168.100.20, and its rule is Libix agent. Okay, I'm already create two server in the VMware workstation. One host is server. The second host is agent. Okay, this is there are the two.
朱老师打断一下，你那边静音了，我不小心。
没事啊。Okay, start the server and start agent. Okay, this is our step. Next step, we can to do the basic configuration. First, modify the host name with the name of server and agent. Then configure firewall and SE Linux. We will stop the firewall and disable the firewall service and set the SNIX to the disable state. Okay. Then we will to configure the YARN reciprocity. Okay. Reciprocity is CentOS and Zabbix. Then we will configure the hosts. It will contain two host names. One is server and the second is agent. Server and agent will all do it. Okay, that's configured. We will log into the server. First, we will log into the server. Password is 0000000. Okay. Then we will configure the IP address of the host. Change the boot protocol to static and configure the IP address to 10 and net mask is 255 and gateway is 254. Okay, write it. Then we will use system control command to restart the service network. Okay, check the IP address. It's right. Okay, then configure the host. Add the two lines of server and agent. Set the host name first name to server. Okay. Then stop the firewall and disable the firewall. Set info SNX to 0. Okay, we can ping server to check the name resolved and ping node, ping agent. It's not to resolve. Okay, let's configure the second host. Username is root and password is 0000000. Okay. Configure the agent host address to 20. Okay. Gateway 254. Okay, right. Then we configure host name. Configure the host name. Set host name agent. Okay. Flash it. Then we can copy the file from the 10 host. Okay. Okay. Stop the firewall and disable the firewall service. Set enforce to 0. SMX to 0. Okay. At last, we can use the SSH client to connect to the host. This is server. This is agent. Okay. Server and agent. The agent virtual net will configure to VNet1. Okay. Yes, VNet1. Check it. We don't do the system control restart network. Let's do it. Okay, check the IP address and ping server, ping agent to check the name resolve. Okay, it's right. Then we can connect to the agent again. It's right. Okay. This is the basic configuration. Okay. Then we can upload Zabbix tar package and CentOS RSO file to the server node. This step I'm already I am already done. Yes, this file is up to the server. 1 second. Okay. The ISO file and the tar package. Okay. Then we can make directory of the YAM repository. Okay, this is the CentOS repository. Mount the ISO file to the directory. Okay, and decompress the tar package. Tar package to the OPT directory. Okay. Okay, let's change the directory to the OPT. Okay, CentOS directory, MNT directory. Okay. Then this configure etc hosts file are incomplete. Then we can configure YAM resource. Okay. Make directory home/repo.bak. Okay, back. Move the old repo file to the repo.back directory. Okay. Then we can edit the new repo file here named Zabbix repo. Okay. The first repo is Zabbix. Name is Zabbix. Base URL is file opt/mnt/Zabbix. GPG check is 0. Enabled is 1. Okay. The second repo is CentOS. Name is CentOS. Base URL is file opt/CentOS. And the GPG check is 0. Enabled is 1. Okay. Let's use the comment yum repo list to check it. We will see 2 repos. One is CentOS. The second is Zabbix. Okay. Then we will do the same step in the agent. Okay. Make directory home repo dot back and move the file to the directory. Then we can, okay, copy the file from server. Okay. The file name is Zabbix repo and copy to the yum.repos.d. Okay. Password is 0000000. Okay. Then we will edit the file. Libx.repo and change the file protocol to FTP and change the path. Okay. The path is server. Okay. Write to the file and check the repos. Okay. We need to install the VSFTPD service in the server. Okay. And configure the anonymity directory. The directory is opt. Okay. Annoy underline root equal /opt. Okay. Write to the field and the system control start VSFTPD. Enable VSFTPD. Okay. We can check it in the browser, Chrome browser. The address is FTP. Okay. It not support the FTP protocol. FTP. Okay. There are the two directories. Okay. Okay. Now we can check the repo. Use the command yum repo list. Yum clean all and yum repo list again. Okay, it's right. Oh, there's agent in the agent. Yum repo list again. Okay, it's right. Okay. Okay. Then the 3-step is install Zabbix server. Okay, we change the shell to the server and use the command yum -y install Zabbix -server -mysql. And the second package is Zabbix -agent. Any other? Okay, Zabbix web mysql -scl and Zabbix -nginx -conf -scl. Okay, and the package of MariaDB server 5.5 5.5.68. Okay. Okay, there are 109 packages to install. Too many. The Zbix consists of the Zbix server MySQL, Zbix agent, web MySQL connect tool, and nginx conf configure file, and the MariaDB server. MariaDB server is a database service. Okay. At last, okay, it's complete. Then we can start the MariaDB server. MariaDB and enable the service. Okay, MariaDB enable. Then we can configure the Zbix database and account permissions. We will guarantee the user Zbix at server can log in or access to the Zbix table, a Zbix database and its tables. Okay, let's do it. Log in the database, use MySQL -u root. The username is root. Use this command to log into the database. And show database to check the database. Show databases. There are four databases in the database system: information, underline, schema, MySQL, performance, underline, schema, and the test. Okay. We can create a new database named Zbix. Use the character set UTF-8 and collector UTF-8 underline bin. Okay, this is the database character. Okay, int, and create a user named user Zbix at server, identified by Zbix is the user's password. Okay, the username is Zbix and its password is Zbix. Okay, use grant command to grant all privileges to the Zbix database and its tables to Zbix at server. Okay. We can flush privileges. Okay, at last we can quit the system. Then we can input the data, the database of Zabbix server to the database Zabbix. Okay. Use the zkit command from the usr directory /share/doc/doc/zabbix server mysql/create .socle.gz and pipeline to the MySQL Zabbix -p Zabbix. Okay, here is not have not the space. Okay, int. Okay, let's check it. Zabbix. Oh, okay. This is the database. We can use Zabbix and Zabbix. This Zabbix is the password. This Zabbix is the database name. Okay. Okay. 还是这样。Okay. The password is Zabbix. Okay. Access denied for the user Zabbix at localhost. Okay. Let's check the permission. Grant all privileges on Zabbix. Here we will to local host. Okay. Flash it. Exit and execute the command again. Zabbix. Use password, yes. Okay. The password is let's check it. Okay. Create user Zabbix at identified Zabbix. Localhost. We don't have the file Zabbix. Okay. Okay. Grant. We use the command grant all privileges on the Zabbix to the Zabbix at localhost. Anywhere. And identified by Zabbix. Zabbix dot. Okay. localhost. Exit. Let's check. Use root. Okay. We will use the name root to do it. Okay. The username is root. Okay. Let's check it. My circle -u root and show tables, show databases. This is the database Zabbix, and use Zabbix and show tables. Okay. Let's check the select privileges of Zabbix. Okay. My circle -u Zabbix password Zabbix. Okay, then show databases Zabbix and use databases. Use Zabbix and show tables in the Zabbix database. Okay, exit. That's all. We are right. Okay. Then the sixth step, modify the Nginx front-end configuration file. Okay, we can edit the file opt Nginx. The version is 1.16. Okay, Nginx.conf. Then find the line of server. We can use /server to find the line. Server and annotation of the line. Again, find the line of server. Under the server line, add annotation of the line. Okay. Annotation of the line 2. Okay. Annotation of the server name. Okay. If Zabbix front end to the comment on the above 3 line, otherwise there is no need to comment. Okay. Okay. Write to the file. Then edit the file of Zabbix.conf. Conf Nginx conf.d Zabbix.conf and edit the 2 line. The port is 8080 and change the server name to server. Okay. Itself. Okay. At the 7th step, modify the front-end configuration file of PHP. Okay, edit the config file of opt PHP fpm service and Zabbix conf. Find the listen access control list. Okay, where is listen access control list user? It is a patch and add a user named nginx. Okay, then change the PHP venue data time zone to change the Europe Riga to the Asia Shanghai. The other countries example, you can configure the data time zone in your country. Okay. Okay. The 8th step is start Zabbix and the related service. Okay. Edit the main config file etc/zabbix/zabbix server.conf and find the database name and database user and database password. The 3 configuration. We can find it, use the slash, okay? It's here. DB name is Zabbix, DB user is Zabbix, and DB password is, okay? We can't find the DB password. Okay, we can copy it and paste to configure the DB password to Zabbix. Okay. At last, we can use the cat Zabbix server conf and grep grep unico -u. Okay, we can check. There are the 3 configures. The line is DB name is Zabbix, DB user is Zabbix, and DB password is Zabbix. Okay. At last, we can start restart the service of Zabbix server, Zabbix agent, and Red Hat nginx 116 and nginx. Red Hat PHP 7.2 PHP FPM. Okay, started. The RHO is wrong. nginx. Okay, we can check it. Use the system control status. Running. Okay, and running. Okay. Okay. Then we can enable the full services. Okay. We can access the service use HTTP 10 port 8080. Let's try. Okay. The server is here. Okay. Then the next step is agent node installation Zabbix agent. We can change the share to the agent node and use the yum command to install Zabbix agent. The version is 5.0.28. Okay. Int. Only one package to install. And edit Zabbix agented conf file and find the line of server. Where is the server? Server. Okay, server. A lot of server. Server equal. Server equal. Okay, change the IP to 10. Next line is listen port. A lesson port. Where is the lesson port? It's here. Okay. Copy it and paste it. This is its menu, its value. Then configure the argument of listen IP. Listen IP is here. And copy and paste it. Okay. Write to the file and check it. Use this command to check it. Unicode-U. Okay. Server equal. Listen port equal. Listen IP equal. The same of the PPT. Okay. That's all. At last, we can start the Zabbix agent service. Enable Zabbix agent service. Okay. The 10th step. The next steps we will do in the browser. All is in the browser. Okay, web browser. Okay. Let's do it. This step we already do yesterday in the model Ansible. Okay. Next step. The server host. What's the argument? It is database host 10. Okay, 10. You can also use the database host name. Server. Port 3308. default port. Okay. 0 is default port. Database name Zbix, user Zbix, password Zbix. Okay. The TLS encryption is not used. Okay. Next step. Host is server. Ten. And the name is Zbix. Okay. Zbix. Next step. Okay, that's all. This is the argument parameters, check configuration parameters. The parameters is here. Zbix server. Okay, it's wrong. Change the host name to 10. Check it. Check it. Okay. Next. Configurations. You have successful installed Zbix frontend. The same. Okay. At last, we can finish the step and int the username of Zbix. Password is Zbix. No. Yesterday, here we int admin username and the password is Zbix. Okay. Admin. First letter is big and the password is Zbix. Okay. This is our global view of Zbix. One host is available. Total is 1. Okay. Number of hosts is 1. Okay. Zbix server is running. The IP address is 10. Okay. We can try it. Overview, host, repo, system information, repo, triggers, audit, action log, notifications, and config, host groups. There is a lot of templates of the host. Okay. Monitoring, inventory, report. This is a dashboard. We can click host. We can click Zbix latest date to check its value and its status. And there is a graph link. We can click the lot of average. There is a graph of this parameter. Number of CPU 1, only 1. Okay. A lot of name of the venue. You can try it. You can try it. The history. Host of Zebix agent Rani. Version of Zebix agent Rani. Memory utilization. Okay, memory utilization of Zebix server. Okay, this is Zebix server. Okay, let's do. Then we can add the agent node to. We can add the agent node to the Zebix server. Okay, click the configuration. Click the host configuration. Click the host and int the host name. Click the host and create a host. Where is the create host? Create host and int the name of the agent. Then int the its type is Linux server. Its address is 20. Okay, 20. That's all. Add it. Wait a moment. We can see the agent node and experiment. The state is enabled. Then we can try the configure of the agent, like graph, trigger, application, and others. We can click the host, the Zebix is not available. Okay, state is enabled. Then click agent. Last state is empty. We will wait a moment. Wait the Zebix agent connect to the server. Okay, wait a moment. Wait. Interface is 120. Okay. Check the status of the agent. Status of the agent. Zebix agent. Check state. Check the forward. It's inactive and dead. Okay. Check the SE Linux permissive. Okay. All is right. Wait a moment. Okay. That's all. That's all. Okay. Unable. I'm available. Okay. Host added. Inventory. Configuration. Host is here. Okay. Okay. That's all. This is all. This is all of today's lecture. Okay. After today's lecture, we will examine of other countries' uh, friend. Okay, that's all. Do you have any question? Okay, do you have any question? Do you have any question? Okay, okay, it's end. Okay, thank you. My lecture is end. Okay, thank you very much. That's all.